In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage your site and make changes to its content and design. From there, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can visually customize your pages. If you're new to the builder, don't worry. The interface is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly, so you can make changes directly on the page and immediately see how everything looks. Once the editor is open, go to the section of the page where you want your image to appear. Then, click the plus icon to add a new element. This is the tool you'll use whenever you want to insert something new into your page, like text, buttons, galleries, or images. After clicking the plus icon, choose Image. As soon as you do that, an image element will be added to your page. You can then drag it into the exact area where you want it to sit. This is useful for placing images in the right part of your layout so the page looks clean and balanced. Next, you can adjust the image's position and height. Take your time here, because these settings help the image fit nicely with the rest of your content. If the image looks too large, too small, or slightly out of place, you can fine-tune it until it feels right for your design. A good tip is to make sure the image doesn't overwhelm nearby text and that it looks natural on the page. If you want to change the image itself, click Edit Image and then click Replace Image. This allows you to swap the current image for a different one without needing to start over or delete the element. It's a quick way to test different visuals and choose the one that best matches your website's style or message. And that's it. Once you've added your image, positioned it properly, and replaced it if needed, your page will look more engaging and visually appealing. Images are a great way to make a website feel more professional and easier to connect with, so it's worth taking a moment to place them carefully.